News, my wonderful people, Nigerians are shattered when they heard this. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Lagos Assembly now speaks on passing Sharia law. It is, I don't know what to say. Lagos, I mean, the southern part of the country, we have a good mix of Christians and Muslims. And guess what? They marry into each other. What I mean by that is a Muslim family can marry a Christian family, and they've been living for a long time now peacefully. Okay, peacefully. I mean, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I'm talking about, his wife of 40 years and counting, she's a Christian, a pastor. Tinubu himself is a Muslim, and they've been married peacefully for more than 40 years. Yes, you heard me, 40, not 10, not 20, not 30, 40 years. And that's just one of the examples. I mean, I know a lot of people, friends, whose father is from a Muslim home, whose mother is a Christian, whose mother is a Muslim, whose father is a Christian. And guess what? They're all living well. Everybody respecting each other's boundary, unlike, I'm just trying to make an example, okay? What we have in the north, where Muslims are, some Muslims, so I will not generalize this, are really like, if you become a Christian, meaning that you are giving up this family, blah, 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 blah. And so, Bola Ahmed Tinubu's choice of vice presidential candidate is causing a lot of stir. And so people are now saying, is this what is leading to the whole Sharia, blah, 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 blah. Let's get a clarity on what is currently happening. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Lagos Assembly speaks on passing Sharia law. Lagos State House of Assembly has denied a claim on social media that it is secretly passing a Sharia law. Lagos State House of Assembly has denied this report that Chairman of the House Committee on Information, Secretary and Strategy, Honorable Satiji David, made this known to newsmen on Wednesday. David, in a statement titled Alleged Secret Passage of Sharia Law by Lagos Assembly, Alive from the Pit of Hell, stated that the claim is false, fake, and an attribute to ridicule the Assembly. He added that the claim that the Assembly passed a Sharia law in a deal to get Northern support for the All Progressive Congress APC presidential candidate Ahmed Bola Tinubu is malicious and unfounded. The lawmaker said he is optimistic that Bola Ahmed Tinubu will emerge the winner of the 2023 presidential election, to the shame of everyone trying to propagate fake news. David, however, urged the residents of Lagos State and all Nigerians, as well as everyone, to take the paddle of responsibility to educate themselves, report on illiterate, uninformed, uneducated people who are parading lies. We would not be dragged into any form of hate speech or anything that can destroy the true nature of what we are. But in order to set the record straight, this is a mere figment of someone's imagination, writing, and a total lie from the pit of hell, falsehood. No informed person should believe that lies against the Assembly. It is above the common standard of excellence. The news is far from reality, Honorable David declared. Some people are just malicious, spreading sorts of untrue statements and lies to parade lies and cause a lot of distraction. Lawmakers is a universal, and we are very open. You cannot pass a law without subjecting it to public hearing in Lagos State. We urge the residents of the state and Nigerians as a whole to take the parallel of information responsible for whatever they hear and not to believe these liars. So, according to what you're hearing now, they said it's all a lie. Some people are trying to demean Tinubu by saying, oh, he has now brought Sharia to Lagos. Like I was trying to explain, initially, Lagos State is such, like I was saying about the Southwest generally, such a place where you don't have to, if you're a Muslim, they respect you. If you're a Christian, they respect you. Unlike in the North, some places in the North, they don't, they will not even have a smile with you. No, 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 no. Once you are a Muslim or you're a Christian, things quickly turn apart, falls apart very quickly, and you may look at what happened to our sister, Deborah Samuel. She did not categorically, call the name of maybe prophet or anybody and just say some very derogatory word. No, all she said was, why are they putting this thing, in the chat? This is supposed to be a school chat where for dissemination of information, and people should not put this rubbish. So it was that thing she said, this rubbish, was what they considered as her being blasphemous. And before you could say Jack Robinson, things deteriorated very fast, and the end is what we saw. A young girl lost her life, became the sacrificial lamb for some people's, wickedness. We're in a country where there is law and order. And guess what? In Sokoto State, the matter is just dying a natural death, because those who should take responsibility have quietly covered the matter so quietly so that nobody will ask a single question. It is sad, but it's the reality of what is going on today. They've been quiet about it, pretend like nothing happened. What about the law of the land that says if you have a grievances, go to the court of law? Those people that went ahead with her life should have taken her to court and let the neutral system of the country look at it and see if she has committed a crime. Let her pay the full consequences for the crime she has committed. Not some persons taking law into their hands. And guess what? Nobody's saying anything. Everybody just keep quiet, and those who are from particular region just covers the whole matter. Have you heard of the matter again? No. No, not even the state governor visited her family to say, oh, what happened? A life was lost, your daughter. Not even the governor of the state. And by the way, the governor of that governor of that state is such a betrayer. Oh my, my, my. It's the story for another day. It's not just Wike that he had betrayed, though. Even Femi Gbajagbemi, like yesterday, we produced you the news, how we talked about the guy's betrayer. He helped him to become Speaker of the House, and when it was his turn, the guy supported somebody else from the north. It's his DNA, it's his trademark. That's the way he operates. That's the way he goes. Okay? So please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's always, all the time, get all the details and work together as one. It is important that we begin to consider what is important. We take note of that which is absolutely right for us to do as a people, as a state, as a nation, and do the right thing every time. Remember, every one of us have got the consequence. We'll deal with the consequences of our actions. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Don't forget you have a voice. Let us speak out. Let us condemn every wrongdoing ongoing now in this nation, so that, truly, sincerely speaking, we can all be of one accord and be happy with the consequences of our actions. Bye for now. Bye.